This is the GE GTW585 washer. It is a white top load. It has this matte black panel. It's very nice. Let's start by turning it on. Now, when you look at quick wash, notice it uses auto levels. It's a 24-minute wash. Now, check this out. You can hit deep fill and get 3 more gallons. Or you can hold it down for a couple seconds. And now it will give you a full 26 gallons in the load despite what's in there. This is a good looking washer and it has a lot going for it. This is going to be their replacement to the GE 465, which looks like this. This is also a dual action agitator. Has this older style computer up here. So we go back to the 585. Again, this is the new one. This is their new generation of what's coming out. Has that heavy duty lid latch. Now it has a soft close lid. Check this out. But it's not as soft as their profile. Watch this one. Now that is soft and smooth. All right, so with this one, you can still slam the lid if you're mad. But it's a semi-soft close. Has the glass, so you can see what's going on. This is a 4.5 cubic foot. Like I said, on max, when you put it on max water level, it is actually going to give you 26 gallons, which if you're curious what that looks like, when you look inside the basket, you'll see these holes. It will only let the water go as high as the holes. Now you may see some towels or bedding come above that, but the water, once it hits these holes, it's going to drain out to the other side. A lot of good things happening with this dual action system. So with the dual action corkscrew, this agitator works independently, and it will work independently of these wash plate shoulders. Now this is large enough to do a good job with delicates. It will move things around really well. So it's a low level water delicate. That's going to be great. It's soft. It doesn't have a pinch point, so it's not going to grab straps and strings. So this is a really good design. And again, it is a dual action design so that it will get a really good turnover in your laundry. It will grab things and kick them back up and move them around and up and down. So a lot of good things happening with this washer. This is about a $600 washer when it's on sale. I think it retails for about $800. And you choose your load cycle here, and it will automatically select certain things. Also notice max when you choose your bulky bedding items. You can then adjust the temperature settings. Hot, tap. Tap is really your best option. Believe it or not, cold water will get stains out better than hot water. Soil level, it's going to add some time, and it gives you the ability to really get the things dirty. Also, you can adjust the spin. You might also notice it has extra rinse. Hold it for 3 seconds to get the soak rinse, and it has deep rinse when adding softener. Now that's where you add the softener, and if you've watched any videos on my channel, you know that I recommend not using any fabric softener. I know a lot of people feel like it's not clean unless they can smell that fabric softener, but it really does do a horrible job of gumming up the machines, and it just causes a lot of problems mechanically. But also there's the big question of, is that really what we want to be putting on our skin? Are we absorbing those chemicals throughout the day while it's on our clothing? So I just recommend that people avoid fabric softener altogether. So this is the GE GTW585. Good looking washer. Tells you how much time is remaining as you choose your different load cycle selections. I've heard some pretty good reviews about this. Now I'd be curious if there's anybody watching this that owns this and uses it as their daily driver. If you could give us some feedback in the comments below. But this is the new replacement to the GE 465, and that design has been around for a while. It's been a champ. A lot of people like it because it's dual action. Now GE of course does give you the limited 10-year warranty that is on the motor and the transmission parts only. So if it breaks, they will send it to you. Normally they want a technician to certify it, that kind of thing, but you have to pay to have it installed and everything else. I hope this helps. If you're looking to buy this machine, I would actually recommend this machine over a Samsung, over a Frigidaire, over some of the LGs, and even over many other of the GEs that are on the line. It would probably be better than a Hotpoint as well, even though you're spending about another $100. I really hope this helps you save some money. Have a great day. God bless.